Yeah, I kind of was recommended to make a how-to video on making this. So I thought, since I'm going to be redoing it anyway and I didn't film this one, might as well, I guess, make a video on how to make it, even though all it truly is a piece of 90-degree aluminum, drilled out, and that's it. Super easy. A couple holes drilled here. I don't know how you guys work. I prefer to work in my filth. I think it's part of being an absolute genius. All right, 5 inches. We're gonna go a little heavy on that because the blade, ooh, that's wet. Come on. I don't even know why I'm doing this. 5 inches. Never looked so big. Yep. Do I mount it first, or do I do the switches first? That's the question. Don't do any of it. Just kill yourself. Bam. 2 holes drilled. Fuck. Bam. There we go. Take 2. Much better. So yeah, that's gonna be the orientation right there. Rough idea. Let's see, I took about 3/8 of an inch off each side, just under 1/2 inch off each side. Rounded these bottom corners to kind of match, make it look just, you know, a little better. Yeah. That's all right. Okay, take 2. There's a bunch of WD-40 all over the lens. I didn't realize. This is done. Switch panel's done. Everything looked good, so I went ahead and mounted it. This doesn't bug me because the battery's gonna sit on top of it, so you won't see this little lip. If I really wanted to, you could easily just draw a line here and cut that out, and then you'd be, you know, none the wiser. But doesn't bug me, so it's gonna stay. But yeah, that's it right there. This second attempt at a switch mount was a lot larger, but overall better design. I can get to these bolts without taking the switches off. I can take the switches off without getting to these bolts. This was always a problem. This, you kind of had to do all of it all at once. So it was a little nice and smaller and sexier, but just not as practical. So for the long haul, this is kind of nice. This is going to be, that's it right there. I'm stoked. Somewhere in that neighborhood. it work anyway. There we go. Boom shaka. Ooh, this thing's got a nice like rubberiness to it. Old. Not in too poor shape. And then these are the new ones. This one has the heat shrink all goofed up, but I actually made a second positive cable and it's already on the bike. Same exact like dimensions as this one. Fucking look at that. It's like licorice, dude. Like my battery cable's like that. You can almost tie a knot with this. Can we? Yeah. Look at that. That's good flexibility, bro. Like it. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. You got your voice down. You got your voice down.